Today we're making some special treats for Chinese New Year. So let's get started. This is a recipe for steamed glutinous rice cake. This is a delicious treat for Chinese New Year or any time of the year.
So this is a little dried shrimp and ground pork that has been stir-fried and let to cool down. The Chinese sausage has been diced. So this is glutinous rice. So we have one bag here. Thank you. So 2 cups of glutinous rice flour. Okay, so this is cold water. Thank you, sir. So we put 1 cup of cold water into the 2 cups of glutinous rice. So put a little more water in there. So it's got 1 cup of water in there already, so put another ½ cup in there. Just spread the batter evenly in the pan. So here you have the dried shrimp, the Chinese sausage, and the ground pork. So this has been stir-fried before. So just put some of the topping over the batter. So just spread the topping evenly over the batter. So we're ready for the next step. So put some water in a pan and then wait till it boils. Then you put the tray into the pan and cover. So let it steam for about 25 to 30 minutes. Come along. So it's been about 15 minutes, so just check to see how everything is doing. So you steam for about 15 minutes. Just use a pair of chopsticks to check to make sure it's cooked all the way through. And then just top off with some green onions.
Steam for the final 10 to 15 minutes. There you have it, steamed glutinous rice cake, Hoiping style. Enjoy. I'd like to thank everyone for supporting my channel. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Chinese New Year. So we'll be making some more videos in the new year. So please subscribe, comment, and like.